Guys, today I'll be doing brown stew chicken. So guys, I already cut up my chicken in the sink in some water. So I have my lemon ready to use. So always use a lemon when you're doing your chicken. You can use vinegar as well, but I ran out of vinegar today, so I have this lemon. So I already cut up the chicken, and so I will clean it up, guys. This is all my bits that I get from off my chicken, and the other day I did mention you can just rip off, clean up your chicken, put it into a plastic bag, put it in your freezer, and then put it in the, when time you know the truck, your rubbish truck coming like the following day or something like that, you take it out of the freezer, drop it into your bin. Yeah, so my chicken is already in there. Then I'll be using my lemon to wash it, to get off all this slime off your chicken, guys. So the lemon can cut this slime off. Yeah. Guys, what I'll be using today for seasoning up is I have one of these, guys. Pestle and mortar. It's very, very heavy, and you can mash up all the seasoning like onion, scallion. So I'm doing some garlic. Yes, so I already peeled them and then trying to put them into mash them up. So that's my garlic, guys. I love to cook with garlic. And then I'll be on this side. So what I have some scallion here. I already mashed those up. Smash them up. Mash them up. And have some thyme here, guys. Already washed. All these things are already washed. And in here I have some teaspoon and a bit of chicken seasoning. You just sprinkle that on there. Some black pepper, the same amount. Some seasoning oil. And this is called seasoning salt. It's not salt, but it's something that you use to season. You can get it when any West Indian shop. So that's the same amount. And I could use a bit of salt, but I just rubbed it because most of the seasoning is very salty. And so guys, you just rub this in to your meat. Some people you can use a bit of pimento, you mash up a bit of pimento, and that's nice on there. You can put a bit of ginger. I have ginger paste that I could put some on there, and to make sure your meat or your food tastes really nice. So the guys, you just rub this in, massage it in. I'm going to put a bit of salt in there. Make sure I put a bit of salt. Right, guys, I have some onion and I forget my onion. Sorry, this is one onion. And I was going to mash them up and I forget. So, and this will cook in there. I forget about my onion, guys. And it's a bit chunky because I was going to mash it up into my pestle and mortar, but I forget. So later on when we're cooking, I'll be adding like some pepper in there. Some of those sweet pepper can have different colors. You can have I have some red and some yellow. So that's when I brown my chicken and cooking it down. I'll be adding more stuff to it. So this is ready, guys, to leave. I think I might add a bit of salt even when I don't taste it, but I gotta wash my hands off. I don't think it will be that salt. So I'll be adding a bit of salt in there, guys. So not a lot. So just add a bit. Just a bit. And rub it in there. I'm cooking for family today, so yeah. So later on when I'm cooking it, there's other things that I will be adding to it. Yeah? And I'll show you in my second video how I brown my chicken and what I'll be adding to it, guys. So guys, I hope you enjoy my video. And so I'll be covering this and let it stay for a while. Let it marinate into its seasoning. Hey up guys, here again with my second part of my brown stew chicken today, Jamaican style. And so guys, what I did, I just get my pan, a frying pan, and add this size, 2 plate of this size, which is 240 ml of measuring size oil. Put it in there, let my pan get hot. Then I had my chicken in. So what I do, guys, I make sure the oil is very hot. Put my chicken in to start browning. Take it from here to somewhere the season up earlier on. Scrape off. You make sure you take off your seasoning off like that. And then put your chicken in. Maybe 4 or 5 pieces can hold in the pan at a time. And then you let that brown. Then what I'll do, guys, I'll be adding it into this one to cook it, to finish it off into. And so after finishing all my browning of my chicken, I will be putting them back in here, pour away my oil, or let it cool in there. Then when it's cool, guys, I always have a plastic bottle that I put it in, throw it away at. I never reuse oil. And so I will put it in here, put the seasoning in, get my kettle boil, make sure the water is hot. I never use cold water to add to anything I'm cooking, unless it's when I'm sinking my peas that I'm cooking, you know, dry peas. But I will make sure my kettle, or I put a pan on that is really hot water or boiling water. Then I'll be adding more stuff to my chicken. I'll be adding tomato, sweet pepper, a bit of Scotch bonnet pepper, and you know, taste it and see what it tastes like. I could add some more seasoning to it, and so on, guys. So that's what I'll be doing. So this is start browning. So this size can maybe hold a bit more. Today I'll be cooking for more than one person, but then I have a bit to brown today, so for the family. That's how your chicken should look like. There's no rushing in cooking. I don't take my time because I like when my food looks good, tastes nice. That's how I was growing up in Jamaica. My food should taste good. Everybody cook different. What does it taste at the end of it? So I will show you guys what it looked like at the end of it. Yes, guys? So I hope you enjoyed my video. Take notes, because in my first video I show you the seasoning that I use and the amount to do this type of brown stew chicken. They're brown. There is one that is stew that you do not brown. You chop it up like when you're going to curry. chicken. So that one you brown soup, because you use like brown sauce and things like that to rub on it, and then you pour it in the pan, all of it. So that one cook like when you Korean chicken. This one is different. This one you brown it. You make sure it have a nice brown color to it, and so it's different from brown stew from stew chicken. If you get my drift, guys. Hey guys, this is the finishing part of my brown stew chicken, Jamaican style. So guys, you can see it's still cooking. Yeah, and that's my chicken. Chicken there. Sorry, it's moving. That's my gravy. Don't want to be thicker than that, else it will be, that is just fine. Don't want it to be any thicker than that, guys. So I hope you enjoy my video. Still cooking away. And so guys, what I did, I had some more stuff to my chicken. I did some more onions. I put some more black pepper, a bit more chicken seasoning oil, and sweet pepper, which is a yellow, half of it yellow and red, into it, and so on, guys. And what I did, I put a, oh, I don't want to break up. I put a bit of gravy powder in there. But guys, you need to taste your food before you, if you're a person that cannot take too much salt, you need to taste your food before you add anything else to it, to make sure it's not too salt. And that I use gravy powder, that you can get any gravy powder in the supermarket or any shop. And so that's what I put into mine. So guys, that's mine. If you can see it, it's a bit dark. Yeah, and so I brown my chicken, take it out of the oil, add it to this pan, hot boiling water with all my seasoning in there, let it cook for a while, taste it, and add some more seasoning and things to it. And then I have some rice, guys, that I cooked today, so I'll be cooking for the family. And so I did my rice and peas as well, so guys, you can see it's ready. I did some veg, which is broccoli, carrot, and cabbage. Yeah, guys. So I hope I didn't record the rest of my like the rice and peas and things like that, because I did do it in a previous video that I did. But next time I'll be just concentrating on rice and peas, and to show you guys how I do my rice. I'm sure I did it one before, but in case somebody else didn't see that one, I can do more of it. So guys, my chicken's still cooking away, and so I hope you enjoy my video. Until next time. So yeah, it look a bit dark, but because of the lighting, yeah, and that's it there. So show you my chicken that it's okay. This is the breast of the chicken, yeah, and I have some drumsticks there. Guys, take care until next time. Bye.